undertake and follow the best course of action. Pulsation, bring in spiritual fire from the crown chakra to ignite the fire body or etheric energy. The crystal light body activation. The fire is a lower triangle by the upper triangle, illuminated by fire, the well of dreams, spear of destiny, energies, pyramid spinning, tetrahedron spinning to life, more life, great awakening.